Hello and welcome to McDonald's Philippines Toy Review. And this is our toy number 2, Pedro. Sorry because we don't have a toy number 1, 3, and 4 and 5 and 6. Okay. Because it's sold out. Blue is sold out. Aww. So sad. Okay, but let's review it. The toy number 2 is Pedro. It's like has a shade. Okay, so Pedro is a famous bird rapper in Rio. Yeah, this is a Happy Meal toy review Rio. Okay, there's a circle part, a rounding circle part at his back. We just found it, and there's a rounding again. And this is how to play. You just like it's like just that. A break dancer girl. Miss break dancer. Very excellent to know that. Okay, so this is how take a look. Okay, and without Pedro, there are no more dancing. Okay, no break dance every day if there's no Pedro. Okay, because of that, thank you very much. And this is toy number 2, Pedro. Okay. Okay. Don't forget us to visit us our page and in YouTube. Okay, bye.